In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for bug tracking and issue management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps. First things first, we need to create a new board. To do this, navigate to the left corner of your screen and find the plus icon, which looks like a little plus sign. Click on that icon and from the drop-down menu, select New Board. This action will prompt you to name your board. Choose something clear and descriptive, like bug tracking and issue management. Once you've named it, don't forget to set the privacy level. You can choose between main, private, or shareable, depending on who you want to have access to this board. Now that we have our board set up, let's customize our columns. This step is crucial for organizing your data effectively. Think of the columns as categories. You might want to add columns that include status, issue status, priority levels, and assignees. Customize these columns to fit your specific workflow requirements. This will help ensure that everyone on your team understands the progress of each issue at a glance. Next, it's time to add bug or issue cards. For every reported bug or issue, create a new item on your board. Be sure to include essential details like a clear description, any relevant screenshots, and the steps to reproduce the error. The more information you provide here, the easier it will be for your team to understand and resolve the issue quickly. Now let's talk about assigning team members. Use the People column that you set up earlier to assign bugs to the appropriate team members. This clarity ensures accountability and helps streamline the bug resolution process. Additionally, set clear deadlines for resolving each issue. This helps keep everyone on track and ensures that issues are prioritized effectively. Another critical aspect of bug tracking is categorizing by severity. Utilize tags or labels to categorize your bugs based on their severity levels, which we can think of as critical, major, or minor. You can also label issues according to the specific system they affect, which provides context at a glance and allows your team to prioritize their workload efficiently. Finally, let's look at how to collaborate on resolutions. Monday.com offers various communication features and integration tools to facilitate teamwork. Use these tools to collaborate with your team on troubleshooting any reported issues. You can invite necessary members to the board to streamline the resolution process further. This ensures that everyone who needs to be involved in the problem-solving process is on the same page and can contribute effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a robust bug tracking and issue management system using Monday.com. This platform is designed to help streamline communication and task management, making it easier for your team to navigate the challenges of bug fixing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information helpful.